Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a very easy, natural, homemade body scrub that will help to exfoliate your body, get rid of dead skin cells, and will make your body skin soft, glowing and beautiful. So let me show you the ingredients, let me show you the recipe, and then I will see you in a bit and I will tell you how to use it. So this is the recipe, very easy, very quick and very effective. Use it 2 to 3 times per week depending on your skin type, how dry your skin is, or if you want to use it just to make it soft, smooth and silky. It's up to you. Use it. I will recommend 2 to 3 times per week. It's absolutely normal. But be careful when you use the scrub not to trip over in the bathroom or in the shower because it has oils in it. I love the scrub very much. It's really amazing because it exfoliates the skin really very well, and you don't have to apply any moisturizer afterwards. It saves you a ton of time because it has oils already in it, and it's absolutely amazing. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe and found it helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel clicking on the red button below this video or on the icon somewhere here. I will put it somewhere here in the corner. Do not forget as well to press the notification bell so you will get notified every single time when I post new videos here. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day everyone, and I will see you next time.